Recording.
Oh yeah, what's up y'all? In my ride helmet right now, and Steph is too. Buckling up, buckling in. And we are fixing to leave here at the racetrack here at New Smyrna Speedway. Sons of Speed, wow, what a great time. We're going to head down to this really cool restaurant that's pretty famous there in Daytona. And we're going to be hanging out with Baker Drivetrain. That's right, y'all. You know how much we love our Baker Drivetrain. We got that in Maxwell House, the build that we've been doing, which is about to come to a wrap, and you're not going to get to see it pretty soon. All right. So we're going to roll out of here and go see our Baker family. On the road glide, you can tell, you guys remember, I never clean the machine. Machines are not meant to be clean. Hi, puppy. The short bus we are calling Yazzie is hanging out here. And then we're going to, like I said, head down there and hang out with Baker for a little bit. Mama, you online?
Recording.
She is up and going.
I am up, connected, recording. At first it was saying SD card error, so I had to take it out, put it back in, turn it off, turn it back on, and I am up and going and rolling.
Okay, my phone is charging. It's at 3%. You know where we're going?
Oh, this isn't the new one anymore.
Womp, womp, womp.
Got a new update on my phone, and then it no longer takes the same cord. So that's all right, though. So I'm going to get over here to your maps, and I'm going to put in the address.
Last Corner Cafe?
It's not actually the one that we ate at. It's a different one.
Okay.
Yep.
That's what I get for thinking I know what I'm talking about.
27 minutes.
All right. Anyway, I do want to say, guys, what a great event Billy Lane and the whole crew's doing here. Sons of Speed. They've got an amazing setup and an amazing family-oriented event here, helping so many people. If you haven't checked it out, you definitely need to do that.
Yes. Okay, I'm getting on too. You ready?
Yep.
I'm good.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So we're heading to the All Out Evo motorcycle show that is at the iconic Turn Restaurant here in Daytona Bike Week, but it is a little bit south of Daytona Beach. It is in Port Orange.
Destination Daytona with all of our great sponsors in the hangout.
Made it to Teddy Morse, Destination Daytona, right here in front of JP and Cycle, hanging out with the coolest kids on the block. KST Customs right here. So, don't forget, you're down here to come check out their bars if you don't already have some. They've been really busy, they said, going through them. So, great time down here at Daytona for Daytona Bike Week. Come check out the KST bars here in front of JP and Cycle. Look for him.
Look who I found.
Oh my God, it's about time. How are y'all feeling?
You're here.
We're here, y'all here. That's right. Teddy Morse, Destination Daytona is where you come for exhaust.
Come see us.
That's right. Come Morse, baby.
Come get it.
What do you like legend suspension?
Because, well, for one, it's my favorite color.
Yeah.
And for two, they're pretty.
Yeah.
And third,
Yeah.
is they're squishy, not mushy.
Mushy, no mushy.
Yeah.
What's up, you guys? Hanging out at Teddy Morse, Destination Daytona during Daytona Bike Week 2025 here at Memphis Shades, right out in front of J&P Cycle. Dang! Does look good.
Every fucking idiot is out today.